Stay energized at any age. Ultimate men's power. Let's kick things off with a fresh lemon. Slice it thick. More zest, more juice, more power. Lemon is a men's health champion. Loaded with vitamin C, it boosts circulation and keeps testosterone levels sharp. Squeeze it well. Leave a bit of pulp for extra fiber and nutrients. Quick question. Where are you tuning in from? Tell me in the comments. I love knowing. Cool fact. Lemon juice doesn't just help immunity, it also improves iron absorption, keeping you strong. Ditch the seeds and peel. They'll make it taste bitter. Next, we add 2-3 teaspoons of turmeric. Golden, earthy, and packed with benefits. Turmeric is nature's anti-inflammatory hero. It supercharges blood flow, stamina, and vitality. Now, a spoonful of honey. Sweet, natural energy. Honey isn't just tasty. It's a time-tested aphrodisiac, giving you smooth energy without the sugar crash. Did you know? Ancient warriors used honey as their secret endurance weapon. Give it all a good mix. You want every spoonful bursting with benefits. Next up, ginger. Cut a small piece, but don't underestimate it. Grate it fine. More juice, more punch. Ginger is a legendary energizer. It boosts mood, circulation, and stamina. Fun fact, ginger has been prized for centuries in ancient medicine for its power. Strain the grated ginger using a tea strainer. Smooth and clean. Now, pour in 450 ml, 15 Oz of warm, not boiling water. This keeps all the nutrients intact. Add the turmeric honey lemon blend, golden magic in a cup. Stir it up. Let all those flavors come together beautifully. Drink 1-2 times a day. Mornings for a kickstart, evenings for a natural boost. This mix is a total game changer. Immune boosting, energizing, and fantastic for men's health. Try it and feel the difference.